Hello students, in this video we will learn square and square roots exercise 6.4 from your textbook page number 107. Question number 1. Find the square root of each of the following numbers by division method. In the last video we discussed how to find square root by prime factorization method. So here you have to find square root by division method. So first of all, in this method you have to make pair from one place. So how many pair we get? We get 2 pair. So first you see, in this method you have to give time in this way. 1 is a 1, 2 is a 4, 3 is a 9, 4 is a 16, 5 into 5 how much? 25. 25 is greater than 23. So you can give 5 times. So first you have to give 4 times. 4 into 4, we have how much? 16. Now you do subtract. So here 13 minus 6 is how much? 7. Now 1 minus 1 is 0. Next, in the next step you bring the next pair. How much we have now? 704. Now, to get next divisor, you make double this question. First question is how much we have? 4. So you have to make double this question. 4 2 is how much? 8. Now, to get 704, how much time we will give? If you give 2 times, then we will get 4. If you give 8 times, then you will get 4 as ending digit. Since here ending digit is 4, so you have to give 2 times or 8 times. So here you will get, if you give 2 times, you check now, how you get 704. 2 is a 4, 2 8 16. So not getting, so you next you try 8 times. 8 into 8 64, 16 hands, 8 is just 64 plus 6 is 70. So we get 704 by giving 8 times. So 88 into 8 is how much? 704. So therefore the square root of 2304 is how much we get? 48. So now we will do the next one. Now the second question is what? 4489. You have to find square root of 4489. So in the same process, 4489, you make pair from unit place digit. Same, we get 2 pair here also. So first number pair is see 44. 6 is 36. 7 into 7 how much? 49. So you can give 7 times. If you give 7 times, then you get greater than 44. So you give 6 times first. 6 into 6 is 36. Now in the next step you do subtract. If you take 1 from here, then it becomes 14. 14 minus 6 is 8. Now here 3 is there, 3 minus 3 is 0. Next, you bring the next pair, 8, 9. Now we will find the next divisor. To get next divisor, here you make double this question. First question is how much? We have 6. So 6 2 is how much? You make double. 6 2 is 12. Now you see, here the last digit is 9. If you give 3 times, then you will get 9. And if you give 7 times, then you will get 9. If you give other time, then you will not get 9. You see, if you give 1 time, then you will get 1. 2 times, you will get 4. 6, 5, 6, 4, 1. You will not get 9. If you give 3 times, then you will get 9. If you give 7 times, then only in these 2 times you will get only 9. Since here 9, so you have to check which time we will go. Here we have only 12, so If you give 3 times, then you will get or not. You check. 3 is a 9, 3 2 is a 6, 3 1 is a 3. So not getting. So next you try 7 times. 7 into 7, 49, 4 in hand. 7 2 is a 14 plus 4, 18, 1 in hand. 7 on the 7 plus 1 is 8. So when we give 7 times at a time, we get how much? 8, 8, 9. So if you do subtract, then you get 0. Therefore, the square root of 4, 4, 8, 9 is how much? We get 67. Now, we'll do the next one. So, the next question is, you can find the square root of 529. So, the same process, you make pair from one place. So, we get only one pair, this single. So, first, that means you have to give time to 5. You see, if you give 3 times, then you will get 9. 9 is greater than 5. So, you have to give 2 times first. 2 into 2 is a 4. 5 minus 4 is 1. Now you bring down the next pair, 2, 9. To get the second divisor, you make double now, this one. First question is we have 2. So 2 is a how much? 2 is a 4. Now you see the last digit is 9. Can we get, if you give 3 times, if you get or not? 129. You check. 4, 3. 3 is a 9. 3 4 is a 12. Yes. So we can give 3 times. 43 into 3 is a 129. If you do subtract, then you will get 0. So therefore, the square root of 529 is how much we get? 23. Now we will go to the next question. So the next question is question number 2. Find the number of digits in the square root of each of the following numbers without any calculation. Your first question is 64. So here, number of digits. Number of digits, how many are there? So n. How many are there? 2. We know 2 is an even number. Therefore, number of digits in the square root is equal, what is our formula is n by 2 digits. So n we get here how much? 2. 2 by 2 is how much? 2 by 2 is 1. That means in the square root of 64 you will have 1 digit. Find the number of digits in the square root of the number 64. That means in the square root, if you find square root of 64, then you will get 1 digit. Now we will do the next one. So your next question is 144. Here, number of digits n is how much? How many digits we have? 1, 2, 3. So we know 3 is an odd number. So now, therefore, number of digits in the square root is how much? N plus 1 by 2 digits. So this is your formula to find how many digits are there in this number. If number of digits is odd, then you have to use n plus 1 by 2 digits. If number of digits is even, then the formula is what? The rule is n by 2 digits. So here we have n is 3 plus 1 by 2. 3 plus 1 is 4 by 2. 4 by 2 is how much? 4 by 2 is 2. That means in the square root of 144, you will have 2 digits. We know square root of 144 is 12. 2 digit 12, 1 and 2, 2 digit, isn't it? So without calculating, without finding square root of 144, you have to find in this way how many digits are there in this number. So now we will go to the next question.
3.
Now you see the next question, question number 3. Find the square root of the following decimal numbers. So we will use division method to find this square root of this decimal number. Like question number 1, we will find square root. In the same way, like question 1, you make pair. We get one pair. Then this one. Now you see, first we have to give time to 2. If you give 2 times, then we will have how much? 4. So you have to give 1 time. 1 is a 1. In the next step, you do subtract. 2 minus 1 is 1. Now you see, in this point, this part 5, 6, the next pair is decimal number. When you bring this decimal pair, then at that time you have to take point here. This is the main thing. When you bring down the decimal pair, at that time you have to take point there. Now you find the next divisor. 1, first question is how much? 1. You make double. 1, 2 is how much? We have 2. 1, 2 is 2. Now you see the last digit here 6. So if you give 4 times, then you will get 6. If you give then 6 times, then you will get 6. Now you check what time will go. 2, 4, 2, 4. 4 is a 16, 1 in hand, 4 is a 8 plus 1 9. Here 156. That means not 4 times. So next 6 times. 6 is that 36, 3 in hand, 6 is that 12 plus 3 is how much? 15. That means you have to give 6 times. 26, 6 is the 156. So if you do subtract, then you will get 0. Therefore, the square root of 2.56, getting how much? We get 1.6. Now we will do the next one. You see the next question. Find the square root of 51.84. The same way, 51.84. In the same way, you make pair. So we get 2 pair here. First, you have to give time to 51. So 51, you see, if you give 8 times, 8 is how much? 64. That means you have to give time, how many times? 7 times first. If you give 8 times, then you will get 64. So 64 is greater than 51. That is why you have to give 7 times first. 7 into 7, how much? 7 into 7 is 49. You take 1 from here, then it becomes 11. 11 minus 9 is 2. Here now 4 is there, 4 minus 4 is 0. Now you bring down this decimal pair, 84. When you bring down this decimal pair, at that time you take point. Now you make double this question. Question is how much? We have 7. 7 2 is how much? 7 into 2, 14. You see the last digit here, 4. When you give 2 times, at that time you will get 4. And when you give 8 times, 8 is just 64, you will get 4. So now you have to check how many times will go. First 2 times, 2 to the 4, 2 4 is the 8, 2 1 is 2. Yes, you can give 2 times. 142 into 2 is 284. If you do subtract, then you will get 0. Therefore, the square root of 51.84 is how much we get? 7.2. Thank you.